Hi students, good morning. Hearty welcome to online class. Now I am going to explain Unit 5 Mensuration, Area of Plane Figures. Shape, Diagram, Formula. Rectangle, listen, perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B. Area is equal to L into B. Diagonal equal to square root of L square plus B square. Next one square. Perimeter is equal to 4A. Area is equal to A into A equal to A square. Diagonal equal to square root of A square plus A square equal to square root of 2A square equal to square root of 2A. Parallelogram. Perimeter equal to 2 into sum of two adjacent sides. Area equal to breadth and height. Triangle. Perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. Area is equal to half into B into H. Circle. Perimeter equal to circumference equal to 2 pi r. Area is equal to pi r square. Diameter equal to 2r. Example 1. Find the area of a square whose diagonal is 24 cm. Let each side of a square, listen, A, B, C, D be x. Okay, A, B, C, D be x centimeter. In the right triangle ABC, we have, okay, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, listen, x centimeter whole square plus x centimeter whole square equal to 24 centimeter square. X square centimeter square plus x square centimeter square equal to 24 square 576 centimeter square. Listen, 1 plus 1 2. So 2x square centimeter square equal to 576 centimeter square. X square centimeter square equal to 576 divided by 2. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, remaining 1, 8 2s are 16, 1 8 2s are 16. X square equal to 288 centimeter square. This is equation number 1. Now, the area of the square equal to side square. X centimeter the whole square equal to x square centimeter square. 288 centimeter square. Okay. The area of the square is 288 centimeter square. Example 2. The perimeter of a square is 64 meter. The area of a rectangle is 6 meter square less than the area of the given square. If the breadth of the rectangle is 10 meter, find its length. Okay. Solution. Perimeter of a square equal to 64 meter. Listen, 4 into side of the square equal to 64 meter. 64 divided by 4. 1 4s are 4, 16 4s are 64 meter. Okay. Side of the square equal to 16 meter. Now, the area of the square equal to side the whole square equal to 16 meter whole square equal to 256 meter square. 16 square equal to 256 meter square. Area of the rectangle equal to area of the given square minus 6 meter square. Listen, the area of the rectangle is 6 meter square less than the area of the given square. Okay. We have find out 256 meter square minus 6 meter square equal to 250 meter square. Okay. Area of the rectangle, length and breadth. Length into breadth is equal to area of the rectangle. Length into 10 meters equal to 250 meters square. Length is equal to 250 meters square divided by 10 meter equal to 25 meter. The length of the rectangle is 25 meter. Example 3. The length and breadth of a park are in the ratio of 3:2 and its perimeter is 200 meter. A path 3 meter wide runs inside it along with the boundary. Okay. Find the cost of paving the path at rupees 90 per meter square. Listen. Let A, B, C, D be the park and let E, F, G, H be the inside boundary of the path. Okay, inside of the boundary of the path. Let the length and breadth of the park be 3x and 2x respectively. Perimeter of the park equal to 200 meter. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? 2 into L plus B. So 2 into 3x plus 2x equal to 200 meter. 2 into 5x equal to 200 meter. X equal to 200 divided by 2 into 5 meters equal to 20 meter. Let length of the park AB equal to 3x equal to 3 into 20 meters equal to 60 meter. Breadth of the park AD is equal to 2x into 2 into 20 meters equal to 40 meter. Width of the path equal to 3 meter. EF equal to AB minus 2 into width. 60 minus 2 into 3, 60. 60 minus 6 equal to 54 meter. EH is equal to AD minus 2 into width. 40 minus 2 into 3 meters equal to 40 minus 6 meter equal to 34 meter. Area of the path is equal to area of the rectangle ABCD minus area of the rectangle EFGH. AB into AD minus EF into EH. 60 into 40, 2400 minus 54 into 34,836 meter square equal to 564 meter square. The cost of paving the path of rupees 90 per meter square equal to 564 into 90 is equal to 50,760. The cost of paving the path is rupees 50,760. Students, homework for this day. Question number 1. Solve this problem in your homework note. Thank you, students.